I have 3 super easy thrifted DIYs for fall. You'll want to stay tuned to the end to see how they turned out. I want to start off my video first by giving a shout out to Tami at Happiness Created Crafts. I asked where she got her cute little sign in her videos, and so she went and sent me a cute little care package, and I'll have a photo of it. And it had this sign from Michael's and also a bunch of cute little crafting supplies, and I am so grateful for her. You will definitely want to check out her channel. She's very talented. I just love her channel and I wanted to share that. I love my little sign, and so I thought it would be a cute idea to show you that I'm making my first little bow for it so that I can change them out for each holiday or season. And at the same time, I thought I could show you how I make a messy bow. I make several different styles of bows, and I'm still needing to create a video of bows. So I hope that that's something you would want to see. Comment below and let me know. But look how cute. My first fall thrift flip is so simple, you might not even call it a thrift flip, but I found this super cute, never used frame, and I'm going to show you what I did with it. So I have a CANVA account, and I thought it would be cute to print out a cute picture. So I did a custom size of 8.5 by 11 inches and started a new design. And because I'm going to print this on my inkjet printer, I want it to be the size of the paper that I'm using. So then I chose a design I wanted, and then I have to make it the size I want it to be in the picture frame. So I had to get it down to a size 3 by 3, or at least close to it, because I can cut it down to where I want. And I'm going to size it down on the sides as well, because you can move that in and make it the 3 by 3 that I need. So now I've chosen this Hello Autumn, and I want it to go kind of in the right corner there, so I'm sizing it down, and it looks really small, I'm sorry, but I'm changing the color to where I want it to be kind of a creamish color so it matches the candle in the picture, and then it turns out super cute. So here's that cute little picture frame. I'm going to just cut this down a little bit to get that paper out of the way. Then I'm going to remove the backing and use that sheet of paper to measure where I need to cut the actual picture. And then I just trim it down and stick it inside, and you'll see how cute it turns out. And it turned out so pretty. You can do this for any season. This video is a part of a collaboration, Last Thing Thrifted. The following channels are a part of this collaboration as well, and please watch the playlist and subscribe to each of them. You won't want to miss any of them. Make sure to comment as well. Now let's get back to the DIYs. For my next easy fall thrifted DIY is this little bowl, and I've got these IOD stamps that I'm using. They're just the letters. I'm taking this little thin tape from my husband's garage. That's why it looks kind of dirty. I couldn't find my other tape, so I'm using this one. And I'm just going to line up the bowl so that it shows it kind of straight, kind of. Now this paste is like a chalk couture kind of paste that I'm using, and I thought it would be better that I use one that I can wipe off or wash off of this bowl, because I didn't want it to be permanent. But I'm using these letters to spell pumpkins, and it looks kind of yellow in the video, but it is more of a pumpkin orange. And it took me several times for this to actually work and to look semi-decent, so I hope that you still like it. So then you couldn't see it very well. So then now I'm using this black paste to go over it to see if that helps. And it does come out a little bit better. But then again, it's still like really dark looking, and that's not what I was going for. So then because the black didn't look very good, I thought, well, the orange will pop off of that black, because the orange and then the black and then the orange. And it did. It helped it quite a bit. And it is a farmhouse look, what I was going for, but not quite as rustic as it turned out. But you let me know what you think of it in the final reveal. For my next thrifted DIY, I picked up these wooden leaves with gold trim. They are so pretty, and I had to use them for something. So they came as a set of 3 for 50 cents for all of them, which was really a great deal. And I'm just taking them apart, and I'm only going to use one of them. After removing the twine and making sure it was a clean surface, I am taking some Mod Podge over the top and giving it a good coat. So I let it dry, and now I've printed this out on my printer again for the tissue paper technique that I do. And I found this cute design on a free website, and I'll have that link in my description box. But I thought it would be cute to put this design on the leaf, and I'm just trying to figure out what looks best. And I'm going to actually iron this on with a little iron, and I put that on, which I don't know if I really needed it at first, but it just kind of helps me to protect it. And once I thought that it was heated up enough, I took the little rag off and then just ironed directly on to make sure it was adhered to the wood, and it worked out fine. It is really on there. So then you just want to take the excess paper off with some scissors, just cut around it, and then makes it easier to use a sanding block or some sanding paper to rub the edges like this, and it takes that paper off so easy. Even in the little grooves, I was surprised I could get in there really easily. So then, because I want to use the hole that was already there, I'm just using a knife to cut around that area. So now I'm just giving it a coat of Mod Podge over the top so that it stays on really well. And you just let that dry once you're done. So I had this home beaded sign that I made a while back, and I thought that it would look really cute on this leaf, so I'm going to reuse it. So I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to tie it on. And it was a little bit more difficult than I thought. And I should have just did a regular tie knot, but I didn't. I wanted it to look super nice, and it I don't know, I was having a bad day, I guess, but it ended up super cute regardless of my tie. Well, there you have it, my 3 super easy thrifted DIYs for fall. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please comment down below and let me know what you think of my thrifted items. And make sure to always look at the thrift stores. You can always find something that will fit your decor, and if it doesn't, change it to make it work. This is so cute. I just love this little frame, and I love that I can put it anywhere I want to in my home, and it just gives you that little bit of fall. If you're new here, thank you so much for making it this far through the video, and I hope that you will consider to subscribe. And don't forget to watch the playlist, and you want to comment on everyone's videos so that they know that you were there. Thank you so much, and have a great day.